Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today our topic is how can we bring our photo data into Excel. For this we have this Excel sheet here. This can be done only in latest Excel. Usually we think that perhaps this work can be done by going to the insert option. We went to the insert, then clicked on picture tool, and here you can see this device. Then select the picture, but this is the wrong way to enter data in Excel. Click on the data option here, then click on the data from picture. Select the picture. Here you can see in the right side analyzing your image. Then click on insert data and then click on insert anyway. Then you can see that all data inserted in Excel sheet which was written in the image. So like this, if you have any photo, then you can put that data in Excel. Thanks for watching.